From the moment I awoke that morning, I was glad to see the sunlight and girly, but from the outset, everything seemed out of sync. First off, there was the bland, cardboard-like toast, coupled with some really awful good morning television. Then there was my pesky neighbour, who always managed to accost me on my way out.
Coming! Yoo-hoo! Hi, how are you? Yoo-hoo! I will bring you dinner over. We'll have it together.
Thrusting details upon me. That had no relevance to my life whatsoever. So I was off to pick up a gift and visit an old friend. I got off the train at the same place as I had 1,000 times before. But this time, something felt out of place. All these people, everyone going somewhere, doing something. I couldn't help but feel insignificant. Here I was, a single 60-year-old woman with 2 married kids, a few friends, and no other obvious achievements. I suppose I always imagined a life that was grander and more exciting. I eventually made it to Lana's place. Considering how I felt, I shouldn't have been there. She was always quick to ask how I was, so she could spend the next 2 days talking about herself. She offered to drive me home. I quickly remembered why I should never accept a lift from her. I went out to the garden around 3 o'clock. The city was now choking with smoke from the bushfires again. But there I was, standing in the garden, when I felt something in the air. You right there, love? What are you doing? You want to kill me?
Sure, why not?
I think you've got the wrong person, love.
Carmen Brown?
My name is Common.
They specifically said this address.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
I don't think so.
It's true. I've got the results. They're inside. I got them yesterday.
I've seen the movie.
He was huge. No wonder I got knocked out.
Hold it, lady.
How could you? Mother and baby. Cupcakes?
Congratulations.
So, at the end of the day, I remembered that no matter how annoying or insignificant one appears to be, we are all equal in our search for happiness. And there is nothing like the joy of knowing never to doubt yourself.